So this store has made 26,000 sales selling digital planners and was only opened in 2023. Hello and welcome to my channel. As I said in my last video that I will be showing you how to create an Etsy store and also show you that there have been these shops which have been there for only 3, 2 and 1 year and are making quite big sales through digital products. So let's get started. This store here has made 84,000 sales and was only open in 2022. And with only 29 products, it has made quite a huge sales. So let's get right into it on how to open an Etsy store. So you have to go to etsy.com and then go to register. Once you're on register, you can either directly register through your Google account or Facebook or Apple, whichever you prefer, or you can just use an email address through which you can register for your account. So once you register here, so we're gonna go to view profile and there's nothing. So what you can do is you can just go ahead, add any profile picture that you would like from here, and then to sell on Etsy. So go to sell on Etsy, okay, and then click on get started. So when you go to get started, it will show you something like this. It says what brings you to Etsy. So you can say I'm just starting to sell for the first time, or whichever option suits best to you. Go to next, and you can either choose what you are selling, or you can just skip it. If you already have decided your niche, you can just go ahead and do all of these stuff. If not, then just skip this question and move on to the next. Then you click on start your shop. Once you click on stop your shop, you can choose your English, your country, your currency, and just go save and continue. You can put name of your shop as Cosmo. It will also give you suggestions on what you have to take, so you can choose either of these suggestions, and we'll just go with eCosmo Designs. Okay, and then save and continue. Then it will ask you to create your first listing. So it can be anything. Let's say you're just selling a digital planner, so I'm gonna download digital planner, go on to images. It is not what you have to do. You have to create your own listing which you would be selling, but let's say I'll just take this one. I'll just download it. For this is just for showing purpose, so let's okay, so that was in a WebMP format. Let's say something which is a JPG. Let's say this. Okay, I'm gonna save this, so I'll upload this. Okay, and then listing looks better with 1000 pixels, so you have to remember this thing. You can like put multiple pictures, so you have like lots of every angle, from every angle, detail, sizing, and I can show you some listing how they have like posted a picture. You can also add a video, then you can add a title like digital planner 2024 monthly planner, yearly planner, like whatever keyword that matches with it. Who made it, are it, what it is a finished product, when did you make it? It is 2022 to 2024. Renewal options, so it costs 0.20 USD for every listing that you create. So if you want first 40 free listing, I can put on the link in my description and you can use that to open your shop, and you will get 40 free listing. I'll get 40 free listings, but it's up to you. And then you can, so whenever you create a listing, you can set it as manual or automatic. Automatic means that it will automatically renew for 0.20 USD, and it costs the same for every new listing. Manual is like, you don't select automatic, so after let's say few months your listing will be expired, which is like 4 months. So after 4 months your listing will be expired if you select manual, and you can go ahead and renew it manually, but you can also select automatic if you want to keep listing that. Then you have to describe. So there are a lot of description out there. Let's say we go on to Etsy. I would like to say, like, you can write your own and you do not copy, but like, you can take reference from it. So let's say I go to this digital planner, and see, this digital planner has like these keywords in here, all of these keywords, and then the description for this one is here. So this is the description from here till, like, oh my god, that's a lot of keywords right over there. So till here. So this is all the description, but you don't have to put that long of a description. Let me find a listing. I hope that it will not have probably that much long. So yeah, I see that people have used a lot of keyword, I guess. So it's up to you. You can put a long keyword listing like this, or you can just put a small one like this much, but that's up to you. So you put that here, which I'm gonna just copy for reference purpose of this video. Okay, then you can put tags as well. So it's optional, but you can put tags like digital planner, monthly planner, planner 2024. So like many, you can put up to 10 left. So you can put total of 13. You can also like put material, but that is optional because it is a digital product. I don't think we have to describe that. You can price it for whatever price you want. Let's say 229. And then I think it listed as physical, a finished product, digital product. It's a digital. So yeah, that is why it was asking for shipping and all. You can put quantity. It doesn't really matter, but you have to put. So this is the file that buyers will be downloading. It can be in any format. Let's say you're giving high quality PNG, or you're giving a JPG file or a PDF file or a PowerPoint or Excel, anything. But yeah, this is the file. As compared to what product you're selling, this is the file that you upload and they will be able to download. So once you uploaded the file, you can just go ahead and then click on save and continue. To preview and save. So what did I miss? Oh, categories. So it will be like digital. In digital plane, you can put digital and digital planner. You can click save and continue. And your listing will be ready. But as I said, that it costs 0.20 USD for every new listing if you do not have the 40 free listing. But you have to complete the payment information in case you make any sales. This is the information they need to put money in your account. So you have to go, like, it will automatically redirect you, and you will just have to go to the billing section. You have to put whether you're individual or business, and your personal information and your address information and your bank information. And I'm not filling these information because this video is just for reference. So when you complete this step, you'll be prompted to the next step, which is set up billing. This is the step where you have to put your debit card or credit card or any other payment method that you're going to use to pay Etsy for any listing that you create, or if you're advertising. So that is where the all the steps for setting up an Etsy store gets completed, and you can have a look of your store by going to this home sign and then clicking on the listing web. So this is where our tutorial gets completed. I do have to tell you that there is no rich quick scheme, and if you work consistently and create unique designs, you can definitely be successful. There is lots of saturated niche on Etsy, and where there is lots of competition. So I would definitely suggest to go for a niche where there is less competition initially. And if you do want to compete, you want to have to come up with very unique designs so that it sets you apart from the rest of the competition. I will create another tutorial where I'll show you how to search keywords for free. But other than that, if you have any questions related to this video, please let me know in the comment section. And if you do like my videos, please like, subscribe. Thank you.